Good evening, friends. We've got a live weather report going on here. Got a thunderstorm here. We are in the Nimblewell, Georgia area. The direction we're looking is over toward the Juneau area. Got some pretty severe lightning going on. This thing's going to be taking place here in the next 30 minutes. I'm not going to step outside. I can hear it, but I'm not going to step outside this door. As you can see, it's starting to rain. Looks like Tom has found shelter. Not in his box, but hopefully he's under the porch or somewhere. He was out there eating. I'd open the back door, but there ain't no use. The thunder's over that way, the direction we're looking. Pray for us, friends. God bless you. That's a reflection in the mirror there, or in the glass, from the light over in the kitchen. God bless you, friends.